This is Jay Teaches Reading for All, Part 1A, Sound Out Sheets. I'm going over two sound out sheets, and after I do, I will tell you why. Here's the first one, sounding out the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. A, apple. B, bat. C, cap. D, donut. E, egg. F, flag. And if you're not on full screen, click on full screen. It'll be easier to see. G, gun. H, house. I, Indian. J, jet. K, kite. L, lamp. M, mountain. N, nut. O, octopus. Aw, ostrich. P, pig. Q, quarter. R, rake. S, snake or zipper. T, top. U, umbrella. V, vase. W, window. X, axe. Y, yo-yo. Z, zipper. And teachers, there may be a time when you would like to take a snapshot of this page and just use it in whatever way you'd like to. So you could click on pause and get that snapshot now. You don't have to right now. You can, play this again and scroll ahead to this point and get your snapshot if you want to. Now, sound out sheet number 2. Sound out sheet number 2. We've got PH, phone. WH, whale. SH, ship. CH, chair. TCH, match. TH unvoiced. 3. TH voiced. The. NK, bunk. NG, ring. AI, rain. AY, pray. EE, B, B. EA, seal. Y at the end of a longer word. Baby. Y at the end of a short word. I, cry. IGH, light. OA, boat. OW, bowl. OO, moon. EW, blue. OU, owl, cloud. OW, we know that it can be O in bowl, but it can also be ow in owl. OO, can be oo, but it can also be in book. EA, it can be E like in seal, but it can also be short E, in bread, or long A in pear. AR, R, star. OR, or, corn. ER, hammer. IR, bird. UR, church. OI, oi, coins. OY, oi, boy. AU, auto. AW, saw. ALL, all, ball. AL, usually followed by a T, alt, in salt. LE at the end of a word, apple. ED in this word sounds like a T, tapped. ED in this word, rubbed, sounds like a D. ED in this word sounds like a id, patted. So ED can sound like T, tapped, D, rubbed, id, patted. All right, now, if at some point you'd like to take a snapshot of this page, I think it's in position now where you can do that. You just click on pause and you can have a snapshot of the page for future use. Okay, now I told you why. I told you I was going to tell you why I started with the sound out sheets. I did that so that you can quickly access them. Some of you will want to use them every day to review sounds with students, beginning with sound out sheet number 1. Or maybe with sound out sheet number 2 if your student knows all the sounds on 1. Some teachers once or twice a week. Other teachers won't use sound out sheet number 1 until they finish the ABCs, the alphabet letters, which is lesson 25. So they may use it after that. It's your choice, but I'll tell you one of the secret reasons that I'm doing this, that I want students to be able to verbalize these sounds, is because I'm hoping some of these students become teachers and teach their little brothers or sisters how to read, teach cousins how to read, maybe become entrepreneurs and tutor students when they learn how to use the course. You'll find out that this course is not that hard. It is a course in phonics. Phonics means sounds, and English is regular, 85% regular. When we learn the sounds of the letters and the sounds of the letter combinations and a few irregular sounds, it is really a powerful tool to decode and unlock words. And I think students will really enjoy learning to read phonetically. Okay, if you are interested at some point in getting a hard copy of Jay Teaches Reading for All, I'm going to tell you how to do that. See if I've got that on screen, which I don't yet. Now we're getting it on screen. Okay. And here's the hard copy right here. It's got about 125 pages in it. It's got the sound out sheets. I've only got one, but it'll come with two. And it also shows students how to form the letters, because some students need to learn to print. So it'll give instructions on that. And then there's a page which just go over the main phonetic rules that will be covered. And there's a part 1, which we're having the A section of part 1 right now. And then it will go into part 2. And part 2 is actually the main course. And part 2 goes all the way to lesson 100. I'm pretty sure you can't see that even on the big screen. But anyway, lesson 100 is how to use the dictionary. That would be full screen is what I'm trying to think of. This course comes with 9 CDs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 CDs at the end. And as I say, some people may want a hard copy for their own reasons. If you want to order, you send a check or money order made out to J. Shutt, $28 if you live in the United States, $35 if you live outside the United States. Address the envelope to J. Shutt, Post Office Box 581, Interlaken, Florida 32148. And just for your information, I'm not making any money on this. I'm just doing this for one of the reasons I'm doing this is just to thank YouTube and all those who have put videos on YouTube. I have used it over the years, have rarely ever paid anybody for the information I get, and I've just gotten some wonderful information. So kind of doing my little bit, providing a free reading course for students in the hard copy and on YouTube. So that's one of the reasons. And I guess that's about all for the introduction. The next thing, teachers, that you should do is to take the students to part 1B, and that will instruct you on where to start this course. And I think the students are going to really enjoy it. I think they're going to have a wonderful ride. I sure enjoy teaching it. So we'll see you. We're looking forward to seeing you all in part 1B. Bye for now.